Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today we will design multi-storied steel building in Prota Structure. So let's start. Click on new project, steel structure, steel multi-storied. Click on OK. We will go for Eurocode. Now we will go for grid. Click on this 3 meter, comma 6 meter into 2 span, then comma 3 span, comma 3 meter, then same this one, copy, paste. Click on OK. Now we will go to story, edit story. Height will be 4000, foundation height 1.8 meter. Click on OK. View, add 3D view, window, tile vertical. Now model steel column, this one. We'll select Euro standard, ACV 700, select, click on OK. These two, then select, rotate, click on OK. These two, this one will change the section. We'll go for pipe section 404, 20 mm thickness or 25 mm. Select, click on OK, update. Now we will go for internal columns. Now we can go for beam modeling. Select this one, IPE 400, click on OK. We can remove grid from our view. Now we will model our sub-beam. Sub-beams will have pinned end connection. Click on this, then select the section, IPE 180, select, click on OK. Here keep the cursor, press F2, 1000 millimeter, that means 1 meter. Yes. Another way for shortcut, we can offset our axis to this side, press F2, 1 meter. For sub-beams, we have modeled our grids. do another thing from here to here. Yes. Now this is done. Now we will model concrete slab with 120 millimeter thickness. In practical, there is deck slab having variable section. Here we will consider average 120 millimeter thickness. Now we will choose type one way. We may forget to assign loads on slab at the same time of modeling slab. We can remove beam from the view, then control, then right click properties. Here we can assign our loadings. Dead load we will apply 2 kilonewton per meter square, live load 2 kilonewton per meter square, and dead load 2 kilonewton per meter square. Click on close. Now see the beams. You can see properties, loads here. Okay. Now again select slab, check load 2. Now here we will keep opening, that's why we did not model slab. Okay, now we will go to second floor, go to building setout, insert story number 2, click on OK. Yes, select the story 1, generate story, click on the story 2, click on OK. Done. Now in story 2, this one now we will model inclined member. Select beam. Here we choose this one, 140 by 140, 14 milli. We can see these two properties. Here we will go to dz right minus 4000, press enter, 0, and here minus 4000, click on close. Here this one will change, 0 minus 4000, update. This will be reverse, so properties 0, update. Here properties 3D minus 4000, 0, update, and properties minus 4000, click on update. Okay, select, go to building setout, generate story, click on OK. Now this members, select and right click, go to properties. Here 0, here minus 4000. Here 0, here minus 4000, here 0, here minus 4000, here 0, here minus 4000, here minus 4000, here 0. We are making reverse. 0, here minus 4000, here 0, here 0, here minus 4000. Close this one. Now we can see this is done. Now we can go to the story 2. Select beam, fixed support, fixed in condition, IP 400, here we have to change our beam 3D condition 0, then it will work. This one also change to 0, update. Slab type 0. Okay, now we will model this same 220 section. Now select story level 1, select, then this make it 0, minus 4000, so make it like this. From here also okay. Now this one, 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 we will change the properties. Here we will make minus 4000, enter, and this side make it 0, enter, close. This is our model. Building set out, insert story 20 total, click on yes. Now go to story 1. Now we will apply beam wall load. Select the beam, edit beam wall load, choose 200 mm thickness brick wall up to 3.8 meter, click on OK. Now copy beam wall load, right click, paste, copy it, be modeled. Okay, now go to story level 2. Okay, now we'll exit out, generate story from story 2 to story 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Click on OK. Yes. Now close this one. Now go to story 1. Then set out generate story from story 1 to story 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Click on OK. Now this is done. Well, in top floor we can cover our opening. Now save this one. We can remove grid from 3D view also. Go to scene settings, grid, here we can hide our wall load. Now we will go for our wind load and seismic loads. Go to analysis, building analysis, parameter, earthquake load, select this one, click on OK. Allowable bearing capacity of soil, for example 250 kN per meter square. Natural loading, drift, breast, direction 1, 2 or breast. Click on OK. Seismic parameter same as it is, spectrum type to ground type. Now this one I am keeping as it is by default. Click on OK. Loading combination will generate loading generator. This one template, define dead load, live load, pattern load I will not use. No, create unfactored G plus Q for foundation reaction. Seismic loading, here you can choose modal response spectrum equivalent static load. Here as it is high rise structure, so we will go for modal response spectrum. Here we will create wind loading. Click on OK. Now click on OK. Wind load, here wind load calculator, parameter for example 30 meter per second, building location and surroundings, category, click on OK. This one steel building, from here we can create report for wind loading. Click on apply, click on OK. We have removed inclined member from ground floor because ground floor we will keep open. Go to analysis, building analysis, model option, analysis. Here you can check building. Check completed, number of errors 0. Click close. Analysis. Here click on start. Close this one. Then model and analysis results display. We can go to new post processor 2020 data. Here we can check the seismic load case along x direction. Go to result, displacement. You can check animation. Stop. Now I'll mark this one. Diagram. Member wise we can check our diagrams. Right click, show detailed diagram. Here you can see axial force, shear, moment, all the diagram. Here you can choose the load case, W plus X, W minus X, plus Y, W minus Y, like this. You can check W plus X. So in this way we can explore result. Close this one. Now close this. Go to steel design, steel column design, check all. Here we can see most of the columns passed, some columns failed. We will check those. Close this one. Now we can go for beam design, check all. So beam design finished. Almost all the beams passed. Some beams are having utilization ratio or demand capacity ratio more than 1, so those are failing, and some are failing in deflection. Okay, from here we can change our section, like check this one, 1.037. here this change section, this one we can change to IP 330. Click on OK. Now here it is checking the design. Now it is OK. Click on OK. Now we can close this one. We can change column section also. Now here we have got all the columns passed. Now close this one. So our design finished. We can see 3D view in design status. See here all the members. First, from here we can go for detailing. Load Prota Steel. Here no error and warning. All the members imported successfully. Here we can provide base plate connection. This one we can change to bolt. This height selected. Here we will provide on connection beam to beam in plate macro. This one we will select this and this. Right click. You can see here we have provided this connection. Now this one we can check view connection design ratio. Here this one passed. Here click, right click, then connection design report default one. Here we can see this connection design report. So in this way we can provide connection and check connection design in this structure. Now go to view. We can create a story wise view like this. Then we can select all the member, then go to numbering, perform numbering, apply. Numbering completed. Now close this one. Drawing, create assembly drawing. Okay, now press F6 to check the generated drawing. Drawing generated. Here you can see this is IP 400. This is length 6 meter, and the top view, front view, back view, and side view. Save this one, close. So in this way we can design multi-storied steel building in Prota Structure. Then we can design connection also, and we can do detailing in Prota Steel. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming important tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.